Digital Learners. Today we are going to write a simple C programming on print out the given message. So I am writing this definition section, and then I am going to the declare documentation section and definition section, and then definition section has include stui data and it has includes onio data. Int main is a global declaration method. I am going to enter the linking section. In this section I am going to write this printf /n. So /n is used to make the new line, so the message will be printed in new line. So if you taken 2 times of /n, so it will take 2 lines of gap. So hi, welcome to Digital Learners. So I am then comment on this code, this line code, so to print this message, and I am going to save this, and I am going to compile this, and I am running this. So there is a 2 line gap because we are using 2 /n's. So if you are using only one, then save, compile and run. So there is only one line gap. So this is the simple program to write to print the message in C programming language. So I think, yeah, okay. Thanks for watching video, and please subscribe to our channel and like the video if you are if you need this videos continuously. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks.